So 7 a.m. this morning, I thought it'd be a brilliant idea to stick my drone up over the ocean to see the sunrise. Unfortunately, the wind was pretty strong. It was about 40 kilometers an hour, which meant that my drone didn't want to come back. So the best thing I could do was to bring it back over land and try to bring it down where there's less wind. Unfortunately, there was power lines everywhere and I couldn't get access to that property. So I'm staying in that white building there. So the best thing I could do, jump in my car in my pajamas and go and drive and find it. The first stop I made, unfortunately, was a bit too far away from the drone. So I was looking at the controller and I could see where it was. And this is the footage you can see from the drone that you're looking at right now. And there's me not actually speeding. I've sped the video up, so just in case anyone's looking. And as you'll see, when I try to get the drone back, there's these power lines that are underneath the drone, which is a bit dangerous, of course, to land. And I couldn't get the drone to actually come to the side of the road. And that was because the wind was too strong again. So I had to fiddle with all these modes on the controller to find a way to actually give it some more power. Eventually, it managed to obey itself and come back. And there's me, freezing cold in my pajamas, in my trendy little polar bear pajama bottoms, trying to fight the drone and the wind to bring it back. Eventually it did, thank God.